Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today my topic is that how to download LMC for so check result. Please subscribe. Open Chrome browser, type Mix2 VFX. Click first website. Search LMC. Click first article. Go down. Click download. Click here. Now go back. Again go back. Download config file. Now open File Manager. Open Download folder. Open LMC config file. Copy all files. And open LMC folder. Past all. Open LMC app. Double-click her. And select File. Click picture, see reasons. Please subscribe. Enjoy. Anyone needs help, tell me in comment. Thanks for watching.